Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to convert a Google Sheets file to PDF. Now most of you think that you need to have some other third-party apps or softwares to do this, but you can actually do this in Google Sheets. So as you can see, I currently have a tracking finances template here that I want to export to PDF, right? So let's say if I want to export this to PDF, I'll need to go to File, I'll need to go to Download, and I'll need to go to PDF. Once I click on the PDF, as you can see, I will be able to export this in PDF, and I'll be able to pretty much, print this as well. So let's say I want this current sheet to export in PDF. I can click Export, right? Now it's downloading PDF, and as you can see, I have a PDF. If I put it here, this is how the PDF looks like, right? Really clean. So this is really easy way how you can pretty much convert your Google Sheets into PDF. It's really easy, and you can also do it with a lot of different formats. As you can see, we can download Microsoft Excel, Open Document, PDF, web page, comma separated values, tab separated values, right? So you have a lot of different options, but this is pretty much how to do it and how to convert Google Sheets into PDF.